Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to remove widget on your home screen by iPhone. So here the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and the things that you need to do to remove the widget is find out the widget on your home screen. So this is the home screen. I only have one page for my home screen, but then I think that my home screen now is quite full and it's quite crowded, so I would like to remove this widget from my home screen. To remove this widget, it's quite simple. So you just need to click and hold the widget until the application is start shaking, and after that you will see in this upper left corner there is minus button, so you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to confirm that you want to remove this widget from your home screen. Then if you want to remove this widget, you just need to go click remove, and now those widget is already removed, and you just need to go click done to back into your home screen. So yeah, that's the way how to remove the widget from your home screen with the iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.